Okay, now we are practicing facts with these students. And what you are going to do is this. In the moment that I turn this and face, you're going to add this and this. So this is 1 plus 1 is 2. This 6 times plus 3 is 9. So you multiply 9 times 2 and you say 18. So when I do this, you say 18. Okay? Ready? Okay.
30?
30 is correct.
40. 48.
8 times
40.
5 is 40. Okay?
6?
6 is correct.
16.
Is correct.
48?
8 times 6 is 48.
50.
How much?
50.
Why?
Because 6 plus 4 is 10, 5 plus 0 is 5, and then 10 times 5 is 50.
50 is correct.
0?
0 is correct because 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 times 0 is 0.
6.
Why?
Because 3 plus 0 is 3, and 2 plus 0 is 2, so 3 times 2 is 6.
Yes, this is correct. Now you by yourself.
72?
72 is correct. Why?
Because 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 times 6 is 72.
That is correct. Okay. This is how we practice what? Multiplication facts. So let's see if you know facts. 3 times 9.
27.
6 times 8.
48.
12 times 3.
36.
7 times 7.
49.
Say bye.
Bye.